Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to find your crypto. Calm wallet address. First, open the crypto. Calm app on your mobile device. Next, navigate to the Accounts tab, which you will find at the bottom of your screen. This is where all your different cryptocurrency holdings are listed. We will then select the specific digital asset for which you need the deposit address. Once you are in the Accounts tab, scroll through your list of cryptocurrencies and tap on the one you want to receive. For example, if you are expecting Bitcoin, select Bitcoin. After selecting, you will see a Deposit button. Tap this to reveal your unique wallet address and a corresponding QR code. This address is crucial for anyone sending you funds. Before sharing, always double-check that the network displayed matches the network the sender is using. For instance, if you are receiving Ethereum, ensure it is on the ERC20 network. You can then easily copy the address to your clipboard or share the QR code directly. Confirming the network is vital to prevent any loss of funds during the transfer process. Remember, selecting the correct network is paramount for every transaction. Sending cryptocurrency to the wrong network can unfortunately lead to permanent loss of your funds, so always exercise caution. Take a moment to verify everything before confirming any transfer. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.